Hi, this is Samantha Battleson, and today I'm going to be talking about a selection tool that would be useful when you are trying to make decisions about your collection and what to select for it. So I'm talking about the Hornbook, which, interestingly enough, in the past, Hornbooks were used to teach children how to read, and the publication obviously borrowed its name from these. So the Hornbook that we know today was founded in 1924 by Bertha Mahoney Miller. It is a collection of resources for children's and young adult books. My favorite part of the Hornbook is the book reviews that are in it, but there are also editorials, and they do their own book awards and cover other book awards. So like the ALA book awards, they also cover those in their publication. So when you look up a Hornbook book review, this is the version that is free to you, that you don't have to pay for. Obviously you have the book, you have the title of the book, you have the author. You also get the image. It tells you what age group it would be appropriate for, who the publisher is, how long the book is, what the ISBN number and the price is, depending on if you get ebook or hardback. And then the reviews are very well written. Normally, the people who write them have master's degrees in children's literature, if not doctorates. So it is reputable, scholarly reviews of the book. And then on the right-hand side, you have related content that might be of interest to you because you looked up this particular book. Okay, they also have their book awards, so this is just a quick view of what their book awards look like. So they pick a picture book, they pick a young adult book, they also pick a poetry book. Down below it has what the honor books are, and this would be useful when you're making your selections, because if these are award-winning from Hornbook, these are going to be good books that should be in your collection. So this is an example of one of the other awards that they cover. They'll write their own editorials about the books. Roger Sutton, the author on this one, is the editor of Hornbooks. Also, obviously, it would be a good choice of a book to pick. They also put together book lists. So if you're having a problem, say it's Father's Day, like this example, figuring out what to put in a book display, or you want to order some books specifically for that holiday. So say you are, recently we had Pride Week. Maybe you're not as familiar with the LGBT literature. Hornbooks did have a book list that would help you with that. So that is somewhere where their expertise is going to help fill in the gaps in yours. So there is a version of the Hornbook that you can purchase. This one is called the Hornbook Guide, and they rate the books and give you grade levels and age levels. So I could talk more about this, but you can read. I'll let you look at that yourself and decide if that is something that you would be interested in purchasing or not. And here are my references. So once again, that was the Hornbook and how that would help you as a librarian make some selection decisions. The reviews are excellent and could help you make a decision between one book and another book. The ratings can also help you with that also. I would caution you to make your decision not solely on the Hornbook, but it is a great resource to have access to if you need guidance.